Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you've had a great weekend, grade 4s. Today we are going to talk a little bit more about expanded form and place value of numbers up to 10,000. So first of all, we're just going to hop right in. What does 10,000 look like? We know our units, the very back. We know our tens, our hundreds. After 3 spots, what do? Leave a space. We know our thousands. This would be our what? Our 10,000s. When we spell 10,000 or write 10,000 out, oops, it looks like this, right? With 10,000, are there any other numbers that we could have? Any numbers that may be higher or lower than 10,000? What comes before 10,000? Who knows? 9,999. We have our units, our tens, our hundreds, our thousands, and then we get to 10,000 when we add one more. What happens after 10,000? What do we get? We will end up with pardon me, 10,000 and 1. There are different ways we can express 10,000 as well. We can write 10,000 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Do we always need to add the plus zeros? No, I just did it so you could see what it would look like in the case where we could, with 10,000, we can always display higher than 10,000, right? We can write 12,000. Does anybody have any idea what might come after 10,000s, or what would come after 99,999? What comes after that? Right. We would get 100,000. If we want to do some more expanded form, if we have the number, let's just erase these so we don't get too confused. And back to my text box. I'll just delete those. If we want to do expanded form of a number, it's important to understand what goes where. So let's say our number is 9,740. When we go to write that out in expanded form, we are writing out 9,000 plus how many hundreds do we have? We have 7 hundreds, right? How many tens do we have? 4, so it's 40 plus 2 ones, right? So when we talk about 10,000s, we take that one step further. So let's say we have 47,124. We write that out in expanded form. We are going to get 40,000 plus 7,000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 4. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you were able to understand a little bit more about place value and expanded form. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.